In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Google Lens within the List Perfectly catalog. This is good for finding prints for Vera Bradley or Lily Pulitzer. It works really well when you're listing plush and you don't recognize a specific character. There's a lot of reasons why you would use Google Lens, and using it within List Perfectly has simplified using Google Lens even more. The results are amazing. I love using this, especially for characters that I don't recognize. I know this is a Paw Patrol dog, but I don't know the exact character. So once I'm within the edit screen of a listing, on each picture, when you hover over it, you'll see in the top right-hand corner, it looks like a magnifying glass. If you want to just click that, it will pull up a Google Lens. Now I know that this is Rubble, the dog from Paw Patrol. And I can kind of see what he's selling for on many different platforms. I would still personally comp him on eBay, but some folks actually use this area to go ahead and comp their items. I'll show you a couple more. Here's another Paw Patrol dog. We can very quickly find out who she is and what her name is by using the Google Lens. This is Skye. And I can see what she sells for on average. And then this specific animal here is a Wild Republic, but he is green. And I know from in the past that I had some blue lions and some other blue plush from Wild Republic that were a specific heritage line that actually comped for a lot more money. So I want to check my green one. Now you guys can see I have here only one picture of him because he did go through the washing machine this morning and he's currently drying. But I do remember that he was a Wild Republic. So here we go. He is a mint green Vibes. He is a Vibes. So I would have learned that from using the Google Lens. But you can use it for all types of listings. If you're just stuck on a hard good, you don't know what you have, you don't know what your print is. If you are doing a brand like Vera Bradley that names their prints. This guy here looks like he may be a Dr. Seuss character, and he is from Put Me in the Zoo. So it's as easy as that. You just go into your listing and click on the magnifying glass in the upper right-hand corner, and you can Google Lens your items.